Motora, oye, esta motora que van a estar viendo a continuación son motoras que corren en la zona de los 6 segundos. Carril derecho tiene solamente 17 añitos el chamaquito en el carril derecho, 17 años y ya está en una motora de 6 segundos.
Jordan Hahn, Franklin, these guys race in the XDA, the Extreme Dragbike Association. Go to xdaracing.com, follow that series on Facebook and Instagram. They have 4 races here in MIR next year. Two here at Virginia Motorsports Park. So again, Facebook, Instagram at XDA Racing, or the website xdaracing.com. These guys got here by virtue of finishing in the top 10 in the Orient Express Pro Street Bike points from this past season. Gordon on the left side, Williford Racing, one side lead, Brandon on the right side. Top end of the racetrack, Brandon Lynn goes 672 at 208 miles an hour, 780 miles an hour.
As the next pair coming up here as they roll up to the starting line, it's going to be left side Justin Shakir, Darion Payne in the right lane. Justin Shakir, the 2020 Hayabusa, this thing always puts up big bomb hours. Oh yeah, number 1 of the field, 56.3 at only 198 miles an hour. Right side Darion Payne there on his 07 Busa. He's currently sitting number 680 at only 168. So both of these bikes have a lot more left in them. The question is how far will they be allowed to go?
And I tell you what, of all the riders here, the perfect bikes here, Darion Payne had the shortest drive here from Fredericksburg. One at the right there, back to the line. Take a runner up here. 16 short. Top of the racetrack. 651 at 225 for Darion Payne. He'll go to the top. 674.
Oye, así como lo oyen, 6:51 a 2:25 a 2 gomitas, papá, para Darion Payne, que se coloca en la primera posición en el quali.
That's Brian Bonatanis left side, Jason Dunnigan on the right side, and we had an opportunity to get an update from RJ on his father, Ronnie Bones, is going to be down a little bit, had a crash in North Carolina recently, but good spirits, and Ronnie, we know you're watching, get well soon, we miss you, hope to see you back here very soon. But Jason Dunnigan, right side, Chris Higgins at the last race blew a motor while trying to chase Rodney Williford for a championship. Rodney offered one of his motors to put the bike that this wouldn't work out. But Dunnigan won this race last year. 17 short top of the racetrack, 664.4 for Bonatanis, 665.7 for Jason Dunnigan. Next up will be arguably one of the greatest Pro Street races ever, Rodney Williford, the multi-time champion. He's won here, he set more records, and actually he's the second quickest Pro Street racer ever at 6:34 with a 9 that he ran in Gainesville last winter. Mark Rendeluk, the rookie out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, currently in the 5 spot, 665.
Not enough to be said about the year that Rendeluk has had. He'll have a sign as Rendeluk is number 5. All-time now and number 1 on the qualifying sheet.
That is nuts! And Rodney goes 6:49, was, I believe, a full bike length behind him. As our final pair will be Kenny Brewer out of Manchester, Connecticut, Jason German, right side out of Aruba. And believe it or not, he said he just wants to qualify for the main race because, you know, Jason, his birthday is Sunday.
Wow, 6:36. Oye, el tercer mejor tiempo aquí para la motora. 6:36 cualificando en la primera posición.
Jason German, right side of the racetrack out of Aruba, left side Kenny Brewer, as we're getting ready to go.
Back with it. How about a 6.99 to a quicker 6.97? So